Okay, welcome. If you've not tried it yet, let's take a look at how we can use Google Sheets' new cleanup suggestions to tidy up our data. So I've just got a really basic set of data here, but what you'll notice is there's some inaccuracies in it. So we can see I've got USA there and I've got United States here. And that quite often happens in a spreadsheet, particularly if you've not used conditional or data validation, sorry. So all we need to do to tidy this up is quite simply go up to data and come down here to cleanup suggestions. We click on cleanup suggestions and it's going to tell me here that I've got USA in cell A5 and United States in A13. And all I've got to do is apply USA to all of those. So I'm just going to click tick and that will automatically tidy those up. So they've both become USA. It's also telling me I've got some blank white space after Scotland, so I can trim all of that out. All right. The other thing I really like is that you can also review column stats. So if we click here, we can just choose the column we want. So I'm going to look at B, column B. Actually, no, let's look at A. I'm going to look at the countries and it gives me a nice little bar chart. It tells me which is the most frequent country and then gives me a scale, or I can reverse that as well. It tells me how many unique values I've got. So all this information is being pulled through automatically. Depending on what we're doing, we'll get different sorts of options here. The other way to access those column stats is to go back to the data, and you can see it's just here below the cleanup suggestions. So that's another way into exactly the same thing. So a really useful way from Google for tidying up your spreadsheets. Give it a try.